To minimize COVID-19's community spread, the Korean government is urging the public to observe strict social distancing guidelines for 2 weeks starting now. It has introduced special measures for public officials to set an example first.
Quarantine authorities are strongly urging everyone in the nation to avoid going outside for 2 weeks. They are also urging employers to let their workers rest at home if they are ill and avoid crammed working environments. Religious, sports and entertainment facilities are advised to close their doors for 2 weeks and observe quarantine guidelines.
방역 지침을 지키지 않는 시설이 있다면 집회나 집합을 금지하는 명령을 내리고 명령을 어기면 처벌하는 등 단호한 법적 조치가 이루어져야 하겠습니다.
The government has first introduced special guidelines for public officials to set an example. Public servants in the central and local governments will be banned from taking both domestic and overseas business trips for the time being. All meetings and reporting must be replaced with video conferencing or written reports. Employees subject to telecommuting must be designated on a mandatory basis, while working and lunch hours must be adjusted to avoid crowded spaces. An official from the Ministry of Personnel Management said each government agency will devise staff management guidelines that will take effect from Tuesday. If public officials, including senior managers, become infected with COVID-19 by breaking these rules, they will be disciplined. Restrictions on military servicemen's passes and leaves will remain in place. Passengers using public transport will be seated away from one another. The government will consider easing the restrictions if the social distancing measures produce positive results during the next 2 weeks. However, it said it will likely take a while before the COVID-19 epidemic is declared over.